If you go to a location where you're actually taking pictures or shooting, if you just sit down and relax, you'll notice a lot of things that you probably wouldn't notice if you just kind of blew through the place. And this is what I noticed in sitting at this bench here. Place for choppers to land. Well, today there's not going to be any choppers, but there is going to be some drones. So stick around for the rest of this episode because we're going to get some great shots. I've got a friend by the name of Mia. I call her the drone chick because she's bringing her drone toys, and we're going to get some excellent shots here at the mountain. So, as Arnold Schwarzenegger would say, get to the drone now! Get to the drone! Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Exploring Chongqing with Patrick Freeman, me, your embedded travel host. Today we are at Hongen Mountain, and this is actually one of the taller mountains here in Chongqing. At one time there was 28,000 to 30,000 people that lived on the top of this mountain, but they actually relocated them for building a emergency preparedness or disaster recovery area in case of a natural disaster like an earthquake. Chongqing is in a earthquake prone zone, and as you've probably seen from one of my other episodes, we experienced about a 6.0 earthquake, and then a series of about 3 or 4 aftershocks came after that. So it definitely makes sense as to why this area behind me, you see, is a landing area for helicopters. Aside from being a disaster recovery area, this is probably one of the most beautiful parks in Chongqing, so you gotta check it out.
What should I do?
Huh?
What should I do?
Just stay there.
And stay beauty?
Yes, stay beautiful.
Always.
All right, guys, this is my friend Mia.
Hi.
We've actually talked to each other probably almost a year now.
More than a year?
Maybe more than a year, and this is our first time meeting, so for this episode, it's your first time meeting her as well, so we're excited. This is the drone chick that I was talking about. She's gonna bring out her cool drone toy, and we're gonna get some cool shots of this park here, so
Yeah, let's go.
all right, well, we're gonna find a parking place and we'll get inside. Thanks for joining us. This is a beautiful oasis right in the middle of Chongqing. There's about 4 miles of walking paths that meander through the park. If you like running, this is the place to run. I'd recommend running in the morning or late evening as it can get really hot during the day. The light rail system will drop you off relatively close to the park. From the light rail system, you can catch a cab, which will cost you about 10 kwai. At the top of Hongen Park sits a beautiful Taoist-style temple. This building looks like it was built hundreds of years ago, but in reality, construction began in 2007 and the park opened in 2009. Mia is getting her drone set up, and we're gonna get some cool shots from the top of this mountain and this beautiful temple that is up here. One of my most favorite motivational quotes comes from Les Brown, who's a well-known motivational speaker. And he says, the graveyard is the richest place on earth, because it is here that you will find all the hopes and dreams that were never fulfilled, the books that were never written, the songs that were never sung, the inventions that were never shared, the cures that were never discovered, all because someone was too afraid to take that first step. If a 50-year-old man like myself can do what I'm doing, I know you can do it. I hope that these videos inspire you to take your first step. In an upcoming vlog, I'm going to share with you how I'm doing this, so stay tuned. So we've lost track of the drone, the drama drone. Oh, there it is. Whew, that kind of scared me. I can't even hear it now. I think it's so far up. It's probably 300 or 400 feet up right now. And she's flying it back. So I'm gonna head back to the landing zone and fly this thing in. Not me, but make it look like I'm flying it in. So we're gonna get some great shots. Well, Mia's got to pack up her drone stuff and head out, but I'm sticking around for some night shots. Try to see as much as you can because there's little hidden gems everywhere throughout the park. Stone carvings, gazebos, and even a small lake.
你会说拜拜吗？
拜拜，拜
拜。那你说拜拜，拜拜是英文，知道吧？
拜拜。还有飞，还有飞，还有飞。拜拜。
I like it. 这个怎么样 ？I know. 这个好。
You're gonna be so proud of me. I finally had the courage to ask for a girl's WeChat information, and she gave it to me. I introduced to you, Sweet Sweet.
And she's just as cute as a button. I like want to sew her on my jacket.
Oh, yes, that was my voice, and I think I heard something. She is an avid photographer. She loves taking pictures, and the view is great. It's actually cooled down. It was really hot today, and I'm stinky and I'm sweaty, but I'm going to give you a little quick shot of what's in front of me.